Welcome to this new video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can implement a nested navigation within another nested navigation. You can find the starter code for this project within the description of this video. We are continuing from the code from previous video about nested navigation with slight addition. Let's see what we are going to build in this video. In the song section of button navigation bar inside a song detail, you can find comment, which is scrollable. And when you click on read, a new comment detail page will be opened with its own navigation. When you press back, it will go to previous page. There is also another nested navigation within nested navigation implemented in setting page. In setting detail, you can see a setting internal detail is shown, and when you press on any setting, a new screen will be pushed, and when you press back, the new added screen will be popped. This is the final product where there is a nested navigation within nested navigation. Now let's get started. After cloning the starter code, run the project. Two new files are added: song comment list screen and song comment detail screen. Song comment list screen will contain list of comment, and song comment detail screen will contain detail for song comment. Inside song detail, you can see that there is a list of comment, and when you press read, you will be taken to comment detail, but within a new route. Now our goal will be to show comment detail replacing the list of comment, and there should also be a back button in the comment detail screen. Here there is code to push to song comment detail route inside song comment list screen. Inside song comment detail screen, there are some static content, and we have added song comment detail route inside our app router. This is all about our starter code. Now let's start implementing the nested navigation. Let's start by going into song detail screen. Here you can see song comment list screen. You must replace it with auto router. There must always be an auto router when you are working with nested navigation. Auto router should also have defined size, so you must give a height, otherwise you may run into some errors. Now let's edit our app underscore router file and add children to song detail route. The children should be song comment list route and song comment detail route. Main thing to remember while implementing nested navigation is you must always provide a children for the route which you want to implement nested navigation, and you must add a auto router widget inside the parent. Also, auto routers should always have a definite size, so you must give a defined height to it if we are using it inside our list view or column. This should implement nested navigation within nested navigation for song detail screen. Now let's check it. Both back button from app bar and back button from system navigation will work. Now we will implement nested navigation for setting detail screen. It will be a little different from this screen, as the new page will just keep pushing instead of replacing the list as song comment list is replaced. Let's start by creating the required files. We will first create a file named setting internal detail screen. For this example, I am only going to use a single detail file, but practically there will be multiple files and multiple files will be pushed. For practical, same steps can be followed. This file will just contain a dummy text and an app bar. After adding route page annotation, we will run build runner build command to build the respective routing files. After building, we will edit our setting detail route. The setting detail route will contain list of other sub settings, and the sub setting will each push new setting page. The new pushed setting page will be the nested navigation within nested navigation. Pressing back button will first pop the newly pushed sub-setting pages and only the parent nested navigation page. Let's start editing setting detail screen. Let's add a column here so we can add a text and the list of sub settings. To add dummy text easily, you can add a VX code extension called lorem ipsum and press Ctrl P or Command P and search lorem and add the text as shown in the video. We will add subsetting list using list.generate. Here the red error will be gone after removing constant from our column. This subsetting will have a title and will push to a new page. Let's push to setting internal detail route for now. We haven't added setting internal detail route in app_router file. We will do that now. Let's add setting internal detail route as children of setting detail route. Now inside setting detail screen, we will add auto router so that our children route can be shown there. We should always remember to add auto router to show our children route. For implementing a nested navigation, auto router is a must inside the parent. We will add it like this. We will give it a height by wrapping it by sized box. Auto router should have a height when it is wrapped by column or list view. Otherwise, you will get a render error. Now let's check. There is a render overflow here. We can fix that by converting our column into a list view. Nested navigation within our setting detail page is done. When you click on any of the soft setting, a new route will be pushed. In real world scenario, different route will be pushed for different sub setting, but here we have pushed same route. Initially, there is nothing shown in auto router widget. We can change that by adding an initial inside app_router file. Now for the children route, where the initial is true, will be the firstly shown route here. Let's decrease the number of sub setting to clearly show this. There are different ways you can implement a nested navigation within a nested navigation. This is the example where on every button click, a new route is pushed. As per user requirement, there are different ways you can implement this. In the song detail screen, the previous route is replaced by a new route. Here, a new route is pushed every time. So as per user requirement, you can implement nested navigation. Just remember to add auto router in the parent. Generate all the routes for child. I'll add the child in app_router file, and you will never face problem implementing nested navigation. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe for more such content. If you have any queries or if you find any mistake in the code, please feel free to comment. Thank you.